Hey techies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the data imputation with a fantastic tool called Miceforest in Python. If you have ever struggled with missing data, this video is for you. I will show how to master missing data imputation effortlessly and improve your data integrity. Let's get started. First, let's install the necessary libraries. Open your terminal and run this command. I have mentioned the version which I am using. I have already set everything on my system. That's why it shows requirement already satisfied. With these libraries, we will have everything we need to tackle missing data like pros. Now let's move on to loading our dataset. I will use a dataset containing students' attendance records for our demonstration. Once you have it, let's load the data into Pandas data frame. I have mentioned the Kaggle link in the description below for you to download the dataset I'm using. There we go. Our data is loaded and ready for some pre-processing. Before imputation, let's pre-process our data. We will convert categorical variables to numeric and introduce some missing values for demonstration purpose. Here I am converting these columns to numeric, and then here I am defining the probability of none for each column. You can adjust as needed. Then I am starting from the second column. Since the first column is school DBN, that is the ID, which I don't want to include null values, from date and enrolled and absent present release. These are the columns which I am creating null values. And then let me check for the null values present. There we go. We have introduced null values, and for types we have converted these columns to numerical data. Yes. Awesome. We have prepared our data with some intentional missing values. Now it's time for the star of the show, Miceforest. Let's use Miceforest to handle our missing data. We will create an imputation kernel and perform MICE imputation. MICE imputation. Multiple imputation by chained equation technique. It is a technique for handling missing data by creating multiple imputations to account for uncertainty. Here I am creating the imputation kernel starting from the second column, and then here I am performing the MICE imputation and then retrieving the imputed data set as imputed_df. Then followed by that, let's combine the data. Here I am concatenating the school DBN and then the imputed data. There we go. We have imputed our data. Let's just check for the null values present. Yeah, we don't have any null values. I introduced null values intentionally because this data didn't have any null values. So if in your case, if you already have null values, just skip that step and continue. Our data is now complete and ready for analysis. We have successfully used Miceforest to impute missing values, maintaining the integrity of our data. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome data science tutorials. Check out the links in the description for the dataset and source code used in this video. Give Miceforest a try in your next project and experience the ease of handling missing data. Happy coding, everyone!